Welcome back, everyone. And for today, we are going to review Aragon AI, an AI headshot generator that could save you hundreds. And let's see if it's worth the hype. So, what is Aragon AI? Aragon AI is an AI powered tool that creates professional quality headshots in minutes. Simply upload a handful of your selfies, and their AI will generate a wide variety of headshots in different outfits and backgrounds. It's a quick, affordable, and convenient alternative to a traditional photo shoot. Okay, so who is this actually for? The obvious one is if you're on the job hunt. That LinkedIn profile picture needs to look sharp, and this is a super easy way to make a killer first impression without begging a friend to take a photo of you. If you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just starting a side hustle, you know how important it is to look legit. You can use these for your website, your proposals, even your social media profiles to build that trust and look like the pro you are. But it's not just for corporate stuff. Are you an author who needs a slick photo for your book jacket? Or maybe a speaker who needs a solid pic for a conference flyer? This has you covered. I've even seen people use these to level up their dating profiles. Because why not? And if you're part of a team that works from home, you can all use it to get matching professional headshots for the company website. It's a super versatile tool for basically anyone who needs to put a good face forward online without all the usual hassle and cost. Now, there are a few of these AI headshot things out there, but here's what I think is cool about Aragon AI. The results just look real. It avoids that creepy look that some others have. The skin looks natural, the expressions aren't weird, and it's just solid. Plus, you get a ton of options to play with different shirts, blazers, backgrounds, so you can really match the vibe of your industry. They also seem to take your privacy seriously, which is a huge plus when you're uploading your face to the internet. Aragon AI also offers a wide range of products. So they have AI headshot generators for your residency headshots, lawyer headshots, real estate headshots, and LinkedIn headshots. They also have AI photo generators for dating photos, Christmas photos, even a yearbook photos, and so much more. Also, you can also take advantage of their photo editing tools with background changer, blemish remover, image upscaler, unblur image, and so much more. Plus, they also offer a free headshot generator. All you have to do is upload your photo, let the AI do the work, and then download your headshot. So, if you're interested in trying Aragon AI for yourself, I've included an affiliate link in the description below for your convenience. As a special offer for the viewers, you can use the code HEADSHOT15 at checkout to receive a 15% discount on your purchase. It's a great opportunity to elevate your professional image. So let me take you on a short demo to see what this platform is really about. So go ahead and open up your web browser and go to aragon.ai. So it is going to take you to their homepage. So this is what the homepage look like. And from here, you can go ahead and click on create your headshot now. So once you click it, it is going to open up a new window. And here you will have different options to continue. So you can continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, with your Apple ID, or with your email address. So for this one, I will just go ahead and continue with Google. So let's go ahead and click continue with Google. And basically, this is just for private eye. So I will just choose my account. All right. So after you choose your Google account, it is going to take you to this page where you need to confirm your age. So here, just tick the box that says, I agree that I am the majority age of 18 or 21 years old, and just click on create headshot. So here it is going to ask you some of your details. So first is your gender. So here you can say if you're a man, if you're a woman, or if you are non-binary. So for this one, I will just click on man. And also you need to provide your age. So I would say between 25 to 29. what's your hair color. So you have different options here. You have brown, black, blonde, gray. They even have red, white, other, or you can choose bald if you are. So for this one, I will just choose black. And here it will ask, what's your hair length? So here we have the first option, bald, and you can see that there are different options popping out if you hover your mouse. And if we choose on buzz cut, it is also going to pop out some of the examples for you. So let's just say short. And next is hairstyle. So you can choose which hairstyle you like. So you have straight, and we have wavy, curly, and dreadlock. So if you are one of those people who likes curly or dreadlocks hair, you can absolutely use these. So let me just click on wavy. And here it is going to ask your ethnicity. So you have white or Caucasian, East or Central Asian, Middle Eastern, North African or Arab, Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islanders, South Asian, Black or African descent, Hispanic, Latino, Spanish origin, multiracial. So here, let's just say Southeast Asian, for example. And here, you have to choose your body type. So we have slim, regular, athletic, medium large, large, and plus size. So let me go ahead and choose medium, for example. And here you can select your attire. So you will have business professional, business casual, and also you have smart casual. So you will have a lot of choices in here. And what's good about this is you can actually choose these three and you will get an equal mix of the results featuring three most popular attires. So I'm just going to leave all these three selected and let's go ahead and click continue. Next is your background. So you can choose what background you want. You have city, nature, office, or studio. But the good thing about this is you will get an equal mix of results featuring the four most popular backgrounds. So let's go ahead and leave all these boxes checked and click on continue. So the next part is to upload your image. So here, there are some photo requirements. So first is selfies. So you need to upload frontal selfies that are well lit and taken at eye level. And also, you need to upload photos in different outfits and backgrounds. And also, you need to upload recent photos from the last 6 months that feature similar hairstyle and lengths. And lastly, you have to have a clear picture. Upload photos taken from a good distance, ideally taken from the chest or waist up. Now, there are also some photo restrictions. So first is low quality photos. So here it says, do not upload photos that are blurry, cropped, or too dark or too bright. And also, no revealing clothes. You should not upload photos with low necklines or in skimpy outfits. Another one is no accessories. So avoid photos of you with hats, sunglasses, headphones, lanyards, and etc. And also, no unnatural angles. Avoid photos taken from the side or where you are looking away. So with all of these in mind, you can go ahead and click on Upload File. You can then choose the photo that you want to use. So once all of your 6 photos are uploaded, you can go ahead and click on Continue. Now, after that, you are going to be taken to their pricing page. So here you will have 3 options. So we have the basic for $35. And for this one, you will get 40 headshots, 45 minutes generation time, choice of 1 attire, choice of 1 background, and standard image resolution. For the next one, it is professional and it costs $45. For this one, you will get 60 headshots, 30 minutes generation time, choice of 2 attires, choice of 2 backgrounds, and standard image resolution. Now, for the executive, it will cost you $75 and you are going to have 100 headshots, 15 minutes generation time, all attires included, all backgrounds included, and enhanced image resolution. So with this one, let's go ahead and choose basic for this one and click on continue with basic. So here what's going to happen is you're going to provide your payment details. So if you're going to use your card, you can fill out this form, or you can also use PayPal for this checkout. So again, you can use our code headshot15 for a 15% discount. So after you choose your payment options, you just have to wait for the AI to generate your headshots, just like what was mentioned in the previous page. If we choose basic, it will be 45 minutes generation time. For professional, it will be 30 minutes generation time. And if you chose executive, it will be 15 minutes generation time. Now, after that, you will receive a pop-up and you just have to download your headshots. So that's Aragon AI, a fast, affordable, and effective way to get professional headshots. To get started, click the link in the description and be sure to use the code headshot15 to save 15%. Thanks for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you and have a good day.